There's a new job quietly appearing in Scrum teams right now. Nobody put it in the Scrum guide. Nobody certified you for it, but it's already in job postings at companies like Lockheed Martin. The job is running a team where half the members aren't human. I'm Abel Mendez, founder of Agile Career Forge. And if you're a Scrum Master or Agile coach, this is the shift that decides your next 5 years. Let's get into it. Here's what's actually happening on the ground. Scrum.org, the home of Scrum, is now publishing on what they call AI Augmented Scrum, running a team where autonomous AI agents pull backlog items, write code, run tests, and open pull requests on their own. When half your team is bots, the Scrum Master's job changes shape. You're no longer just facilitating people. You're orchestrating a mixed team, humans and agents, and making sure both are unblocked, aligned, and actually delivering value. The community has a name forming for this, the Agent Orchestrator, and it's the single biggest evolution of the role since Scrum was created. But here's the trap most people are walking into. They're treating this as a tooling problem. Learn the AI tool. You're safe. That's wrong. Gartner just predicted that more than 40% of agentic AI projects will be canceled by 2027, killed by cost, unclear value, and weak risk controls. Translation. Companies are about to discover that pointing AI agents at a team without someone steering the system creates chaos, not speed. That someone is you. The orchestrator who decides what agents do, where humans stay in the loop, and how value actually flows. That's not a tooling skill. That's a leadership skill. And it's exactly what AI can't do for itself. So here's the move. Stop positioning yourself as the person who runs the ceremonies. Start positioning yourself as the person who can lead a hybrid human-AI delivery system, set the guardrails, protect the humans from cognitive overload, and keep the whole thing pointed at outcomes. If your profile still reads facilitated stand-ups and manage the backlog, you're describing the job AI is automating. If it reads led delivery across human and AI contributors toward measurable business outcomes, you're describing the job companies are now desperate to fill. That's the difference between getting filtered out and getting recruited. Repositioning yourself for that role on your resume, your LinkedIn, and in the interview is exactly what we do at Agile Career Forge. The 15-minute discovery call is free. Links in the description. If this reframed the AI conversation for you, subscribe. One every week, grounded in real data and real client work. I'm Abel Mendez. See you in the next one.